Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce recruitment time with LinkedIn, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the search bar at the top. Enter the job title or keywords related to the position you're recruiting for. Filter the search results by selecting people to find. Use the advanced filters to narrow down your search by location, industry, and experience. Review the profiles of candidates that match your criteria. Make a list of potential candidates who have the required skills and experience. Reach out to these candidates directly through LinkedIn messages. Personalize your message to increase the response rate. If you're part of a company, consider using LinkedIn's recruiter tool for more advanced features. Utilize LinkedIn groups relevant to your industry to find more candidates. Post job openings directly on your LinkedIn page for visibility. Encourage your employees to share the job post within their networks. Monitor responses and schedule interviews promptly to keep the process moving. Use LinkedIn Analytics to measure the effectiveness of your recruitment strategy. Adjust your approach based on the data you gather to optimize future recruitment efforts. Implementing these strategies can significantly reduce your recruitment time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.